Water, the simplest and purest of elements, yet one with which no human can live without. Water, something so crucial to our existence, it has been considered the gold of the 21st century. For an island the size of Malta, with no mountains or rivers and a short winter season, a regular and constant supply of water is even more crucial. The supply of water has always been a challenge for the Maltese islands. However, as from ancient times, the Maltese people always managed to overcome this problem with incredible results. There are various structures on the islands dating back to the 16th century, showcasing ancient technologies of how water was stored and transported. Today, the responsibility for the supply of water lies solely on a company that has many years of experience in water management, a company with a solid international reputation, the Water Services Corporation. On Malta, water is mainly used for three purposes: for domestic use, for agriculture, and for other general uses. Malta has one of the lowest water reserves in the world. However, thanks to the Water Services Corporation, the Maltese residents always have access to fresh water. The company operates a monitoring system that ensures adequate levels of supply at all times. 57% of fresh water is generated by one of the 3 reverse osmosis plants that can be found on the island. The role of these seawater treating plants is that of turning seawater into potable water. The level of this water is of the highest standards. The rest of the water is pumped up through boreholes and pumping stations. The largest branch is found at Akandia, which houses more than 6 kilometers of underground pipes. Chlorine is then added. This is to ensure that the water will be suitable for drinking. This water is then added to the water pumped by the reverse osmosis plants and then distributed to households across Malta and Gozo. The Water Services Corporation has also been in charge of the island's wastewater system since 2003. Drainage is now being filtered and treated in one of the company's 3 state-of-the-art plants. This ensures that Malta's famous beaches are kept safe and its waters crystal clear for everyone's enjoyment, with the corporation's greatest achievement being the Blue Flag awarded for all our beaches. Some wastewater is recycled and used again for other purposes, such as industrial, agricultural, and landscaping. Dung residue is also used to generate half of the electrical power needed to operate the Tabarkat plant. This is achieved by extracting the methane gases from waste. The Water Services Corporation is therefore fully responsible for the entire water cycle for Malta and Gozo. Maintenance is crucial for the corporation's operations. To support its maintenance efforts, the corporation has invested in a sophisticated monitoring system and has a qualified team that can respond to any incident promptly and in the most efficient manner. A simple leak can have devastating financial repercussions for the corporation and the country. The Water Services Corporation takes leakage management very seriously indeed. The Water Services Corporation decided to commission 5 reverse osmosis plants at a time when the leakage was in excess of 4,000 cubic meters per hour. Today, leakage has been reduced to around 450 cubic meters per hour, and that figure is internationally recognized as being world-class work. This reduction of leakage has led to the decommissioning of 2 of the reverse osmosis plants, and the remaining plants only needing to run at half load. In the same period, efficiency of the network was improved, resulting in a substantial reduction in the specific energy of the operations of the whole corporation. Overall, with these initiatives, the corporation has managed to save over €500 million. Malta is the only country which has adopted this system on a national level, dividing the island into 52 districts, monitoring pressure of every single household, no matter where.
In order to ensure wholesome and good quality water, the corporation houses its internal accredited laboratory which monitors the water from the sources till it reaches each consumer household in Malta and Gozo. The lab also monitors wastewater and treated effluents from the sewage treatment plants. It is equipped to the highest standards and maintains professional expertise and proficiency in all its activities.
As part of its corporate social responsibility programme, the corporation embarks on educational programmes. The corporation has an excellent track record in managing the entire water cycle of our nation. It is now looking beyond its shores to help other countries who face similar problems to those that Malta has successfully resolved.